Here's the classic matchup, Nobara Linux versus Arch Linux. One's built to get you gaming and creating instantly, and the other one is all about total control. So which one's right for you? Let's break it down. Nobara takes Fedora, reworks it for gamers, streamers and creators. It comes with pre-installed drivers, media codecs, OBS and Steam. Basically all the stuff you would normally spend hours setting up. Out of the box, it's stable, modern and ready to go. If you want strong performance without digging through config files, Nobara convenience is hard to beat. On the other hand, Arch Linux is the go-to for power users. It's lightweight, minimalistic, and lessly customizable thanks to Arch Wiki and rolling release model. You decide exactly what your system looks like and how it runs, but the freedom comes with a price, manual setup, constant maintenance, and a deeper knowledge of Linux. So, which one is better? If you want a gaming-ready distro that just works and saves time, go with Nobara. And if you want complete control, don't mind putting in the work, Arch is still king. At the end of the day, Nobara is out-of-the-box performer, while Arch is a DIY powerhouse. The choice comes down to how much control you want over your Linux experience. If this video helped, go ahead and subscribe.